Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a coding question, how to find a perfect number. Here the program starts with initializing the variables number, total and I. We have to enter a number using printf and scanf. The code enters into a while loop that runs as long as I less than the entered number. Inside that loop, we have to check I is a divisor of that number. If it is true, I is added to the total. Regardless, it iterates the I at the each end of the iteration. Then the loop completes. It checks the total is equal to the original number, and if it is true, then it is a perfect number, that is, sum of the divisors is equal to the original number. Else, it is not a perfect number. Let's run this code. Enter a number and enter in 28. Then we get output 28 as a perfect number. We have to enter another number. There is number 20. Then we get an output 20 is not a perfect number. So I hope this helps you understand how the code works. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy coding!